To my channel. So today in this video it is all about my Valentine's Day, my actual day. And of course you all know I had to go to work. I always have to work on the coolest and the most celebrated days. My days are always spent at work, but I'm not complaining. Your girl has a job and I am grateful to have my job. I love my job, though I wish I could have some of the fun holidays. Well, even though Valentine's Day isn't a holiday, but it is one of the popular celebrated times of the year. But it's all good though. I had a very good day at work today. So when I got to work, I was greeted with a box of flowers from my long distance boo, and they were from ProFlowers. So they came in this awesome big green box, and this is what the assortment looks like. I have 2 dozen of very, very beautiful roses. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Oh my god. So really, really great surprise, and they came with this awesome vase. So pretty. I love fresh flowers. If it were up to me, I would have fresh flowers in my home every day of my life. I love these, but these are so pretty. So I had a good day. So I had to work a full shift, so looking at these made that much more fun today, and kind of made the day go by fast looking at these flowers. But yes, so pretty. So if you never tried ProFlowers, guys, try it. Your girl will appreciate it. I know I love mine. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. But yeah, so this was like the highlight of my day, receiving flowers at work. So receiving flowers and gifts like this is always just so much fun, and it just makes you feel so good and so pretty and so appreciated when you get beautiful things like this. I don't know about you, but I know I love getting things like this, especially sweet surprises at my job. So sweet, especially on Valentine's Day. It's nothing like receiving roses on Valentine's Day, you know. But the next thing that I got was from Urban Decay. Now this is my first gift like this ever of its kind, and I got the Naked and Nude Valentine's Day gift set from Urban Decay. This is what it looks like. Now when I first opened this, I thought this was going to be like a box of chocolates from Urban Decay, but what was I thinking? I don't know why I would think that a massive makeup company like Urban Decay would send chocolates. But of course they sent the best of the best things. Honey, that's why I said I got naked on Valentine's Day, because I did. I got the Naked palette, and I got the Vice lipsticks in all nude shades. So honey, I am naked and nude on the Valentine's Day. So let's get right into this palette. Now this is the original Naked palette, the very first of the Naked series that Urban Decay created. This was the very first palette that I saw from them in Ulta, and I fell in love with this palette. Like, it was love at first sight. It was literally love at first sight. I was like, I have to have that palette. But since then, I think I ended up buying like a dupe of this palette, and I fell in love with it. But it's nothing like owning the real thing. It's nothing like it. I love the velvet casing of this thing. The palette is just so beautiful. The shadows are just so velvety soft and pigmented. Even though this is an oldie, it is definitely a goodie, and it is here to stay. I love it. Now out of this palette, Half Baked and Sidecar are my favorite shades in this palette. Oh, just so beautiful. I love it. I'm adding some Sidecar to my mobile lid. Oh, I love this palette, y'all. You just don't know how long I have stalked this palette, loved this palette, and adored this palette from afar for so long. And here it is in my possession. So I'm going to give you a close look of the palette. Though I know you've seen this before. I got my little swatch on the velvet. How dare me? but this is what it looks like. Love this palette, guys. Love this palette. So be on the lookout for some naked looks from me soon. But yes, these are the colors. So beautiful, guys. Loving this. Now this palette is still for sale. Well, this kit, this whole Valentine's Day kit is still for sale right now on their website, just in case you're interested. Now, I did say I get 5 nude shades of the Vice lipsticks, and these are the lipsticks here. You get 5 of them. So let's go ahead and look at these bad boys. Now this was a big surprise. I came home on my lunch break only to find this on the doorstep. So yeah, that was a big added surprise to my day. So I am a happy lady tonight. Alright, and I don't know if you're familiar with the Vice lipsticks. The Vice lipsticks are awesome. I already owned a couple of these, but now I have 5 more, and we're going to go ahead and look at these together. Now this first shade is called 1993, and it's a comfort matte. Ooh, and it's a brownie nude. It reminds me of Fresh Brew by MAC. So pretty. Look at it. Oh. And I just love the packaging. And this is 1993. A comfort matte. So pretty. Alright, the next one is Naked, and it's a cream. So pretty. These shades are so pretty, so you have to check these out on their website. And these retail for $17 a tube. And the next one, you get Back Talk. Now I will have the swatches and names of the lipsticks on my blog as well. This one's really pretty. This is like a pinky nude. So pretty. Yo, I cannot wait to create looks with these beautiful lipsticks and this palette. And everybody knows I'm a big fan of nudes. You know what? I'm either one of the two. I'm either going to be super vampy or nude. Super vampy or nude. That's just like it for me. Now and again will I wear like pinks, but this one is really nude. Interesting. And this is called Gubby, and this is a Gubby, G-U-B-B-Y, Gubby. It's really pretty. And it's almost, it has like a shimmery sheen to it, almost metallic like. It's really pretty. Kind of sheer though. It's really sheer. I like that. I can rock with that with a brown liner. Really pretty. And then we have Stark Naked. I like these names. Hence the name of the kit, Naked and Nudes. Oh, this one's really pretty. Stark Naked. Like a super nude. Okay, this one what makes me look like I don't have like any lips. Like it'll just mute my lips out. Which is really pretty. Really interesting color. And it's right there. Yes, I am so grateful, so happy to have received my beautiful gift from Urban Decay. The Naked retails for $139. So, if I were you, I would go ahead and grab one of these because this is awesome kit and it's really worth the money. And get a custom inscription engraved on your lipstick tubes. So now that is pretty neat. So yeah, I just thought I'd come to you and share with you my Valentine's Day haul and how I spent my Valentine's Day. I had a really good time at work eating donuts. We had a ton of donuts. I probably ate like 3 and a whole bunch of chocolate today. So that is how I spent my Valentine's Day. But yeah, I just thought I'd come to you and share with you my experience. Let me know what you think of my awesome items. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.